Hello and welcome to Heads of Curd, Dimag Ka Dahi. I am Arjun.
And I am Milind. Today we are going to discuss about the social media, its past, its present, and its future. So
Uh,
Arjun bhai, before
well,
yeah,
I think social media as a topic will not be complete without us understanding what media is and what is the history of media. तो वो थोड़ा हम trace करेंगे
hmm,
and then we can talk about the social part of it, which has come up more recently. If you look at history of human race, recently social part जो ज़्यादा explode हुआ है thanks to the internet and everything, and then we can move into what it is today and potentially what it can be in the coming years.
yeah, sounds good. तो कहाँ से चालू करें? The
I think
advent of yeah,
advent of media, like what is media? If you think of uh, uh, the tribal societies which existed many thousands of years ago, तभी तो there wasn't really any means of communication. What media is a means of communication. The only means of communication at that point in time
was air.
was air and people talking to each other, right? कोई एक सभा में बैठा है, एक बंदा बोल रहा है, and lot of people are listening to him or her,
Yeah,
and that uh, you know went forward, let's say, with the ability of humans to pictorially represent things as well, right? So cave paintings वगैरह, that is also a form of media if you look at it, because तुम जो experience कर रहे हो और तुम किसी को वो communicate करना चाह रहे हो, you want to communicate what you're experiencing or what you're
ideas
thinking
are yeah.
about, your ideas, and you're painting it on a cave wall, right? So that's probably the earliest forms of media that went beyond the person who is there and speaking one on one to someone else, right? Uh, and then you trace that history, pictographs in caves moved on to eventually books, and some form of writing, and uh, you were at that point in time able to influence the thinking of someone else by your ideas put down in paper.
Hmm.
So this continued for several thousand years when people were able to write and put their thoughts into into place. And of course there were oral traditions like the ones we had in India, where people will have a lot of, let's say, hymns or shlokas, etc., written down, or not written down, like orally transmitted to their progeny. So that was
Arjun,
also a form of media. Huh.
before we maybe we come to that part of our history,
Hmm.
you started with कि caves में ऐसा करते थे, तो caves तक अपन गई है, तो what do you think, is this very peculiar to humans or homo sapiens for that matter, the urge to express themselves or make themselves heard among his peers, कि ये बाकी primates में भी है क्या, है कहाँ से चालू हो रहा है, मतलब ये नीड क्या एवोल्यूशनरी है कि मोर रिसेंट टाइम टाइप का कुछ, एनी आइडिया?
So if you look at the animal kingdom, then the animal kingdom has communication protocols as well, right? So a lot of animals will communicate by peeing at different places. If you have a dog at home, you will realize that it will go and mark its territory, right? It will say कि अच्छा ये लेन का एंड है, ये मेरा टेरिटरी का स्टार्टिंग है, ये लेन का दूसरा एंड है, ये मेरा टेरिटरी का एंड है. एंड लॉट ऑफ एनिमल्स डू दैट. So there is a way of communicating that animals have evolved as well. I guess humans took it to a next level, right? And that came about because of our ability to modulate our voices so well. And there is potentially, I mean, we can say that, humans definitely, Homo sapiens definitely had it, but other humanoid primates also might have had the ability to draw, the ability to communicate, not just by voice. or by smell, as as we spoke earlier. Uh, so it is possible that it was there, but I don't think there is any evidence of that. Maybe there is, like the Denisovans or Homo erectus, was it, who might have had this ability to communicate by way of drawing, which I think is kind of different to the animal kingdom. Again, in the animal kingdom, while it's mostly smell, you can think that when a lion scratches onto a tree, or an elephant scratches onto a tree, it is leaving its scent, but also the actual visual indicator of a scratch. So
But wo more, I mean, that is more geared towards survival aspect, right? If we
I agree. I
right,
agree.
it's not the social aspect नहीं है उसमें, right? It is like next day जाने के लिए मुझे जो जो करना है, ये territory mark करनी है, वो करना है, जो
Yes.
करना है. Cave वाली painting, I don't know, there may be survival aspect to that as well, कि saying कि हाँ इस तालाब के पास जानवर है तो मैंने तालाब draw किया और ये किया. Again, not being expert,
Hmm.
we don't probably won't be able to comment as much. But I think what you're saying is the media aspect of this,
Yes.
from the oral to drawings and things like that.
Yeah, I think media aspect is definitely prevalent throughout the animal kingdom. It's just that humans took it to another level, where the ideas they had, they were able to communicate those. First, the fact that they had ideas itself was new. They were observing the way around the world around them in a different way compared to other
Hmm.
animals, and they wanted to communicate that. So there was a need that they felt कि भाई ये मुझे बताना है दुनिया को. I want to show this to the world, whoever is reading this a year down the line, a few centuries down the line, few thousand years down the line.
Hmm.
I
Primarily,
guess
I think because of the advancement in the cognitive abilities. Right.
exactly. And but this continued for several thousand years. If you look at it, like there wasn't really too much change in it. Like या तो तुम बोलते हो, या तो तुम draw करते हो, या तो तुम लिखते हो, right? You either speak, you draw, or you write. You don't do much more than that. And uh, how far and wide your drawings or writings travel is very limited. Is very limited. Maybe in the last couple of thousand years, with a lot of people traveling around the world through boats, through by land as well, these writings have traveled, right? But till very recently, till maybe like even 200 years ago, someone sitting in India would really not have any idea what's going on in the US or in Europe, or in China for that matter, unless there is one traveler who, like, there are in every civilization there are people who kind of lead the way. So there were travelers,
Yeah.
right? There were travelers who used to travel all around the world, and they will come back with a lot of stories, and potentially writings and books and so on and so forth, which would then disseminate throughout the population, but very slowly. It will take several years before someone returns and what he or she said is actually consumed by the rest of the population.
Right. And it was not two-way sort of a communication, right? मतलब कोई
It
बंदा
was
जाके
one
वहां
way.
से लेके भी आया, मैं क्या करूं, लेके
Exactly.
आया, मैं disagree करता हूँ, क्या करूं उसका, right? So we can't do
Exactly.
much about it.
So it was a one-way medium in many sense, in many ways, and that has, I think, uh, first change I think was radio and TV.
What about the printing press?
Printing press, yes, for sure. It took the written word out to many more people
Yeah, because you
than,
got print it,
yeah,
पहले अगर
multiple
मैं लिख
times.
के रख दूं तो मैं
हाँ,
एक दिन में या महीने में कितनी ही कॉपियां पैदा करूंगा,
लिख पाऊंगा.
right?
Correct.
So that mass production of your ideas into paper and the ability to reproduce that piece of paper
Yeah,
not theoretically, but practically infinite number of times, right? Assuming you have resources and time and everything, but
I agree.
that could travel at least in your territory. Maybe wider transport is restricted, but आपके territory में ज़्यादा लोगों तक वो पहुंच ही पाएगा. And I think that's when this whole Protestant movements and everything, at least in the West and everything, that took off in the same period, right? And with the
Yes.
advent of
So like people were able to transmit their ideas to far greater number of people far quicker, and they were able to influence how people were thinking, which in turn led to people collaborating on a different scale.
yeah. But
And
was it democratized in the sense कि वहां पे भी कुछ दो चार ही
not
प्रिंटिंग
really.
प्रेस वाले थे, तो
Exactly.
अल्टीमेटली आइडियाज तो स्प्रेड फास्ट हो रही है, बट आइडियाज वही स्प्रेड हो रही है जो
जो
प्रिंटिंग मशीन
स्प्रेड
जिसके
करना
पास है. हाँ.
चाह रहे हैं,
I
राइट.
don't think that hasn't changed much all these years, and I
Yeah, I
think
think
that's
we'll come to
yeah,
that,
yeah.
right. The early promise of the internet kind of has been turned on its head a little bit, but we
Yeah.
can come to that. But after the printing press, I think radio and television in the last, I would say, 100 years, no more, really uh, enabled, again, people with access to these machines of transmitting and the technology to be able to give this out to a large number of people. So again, it was one too many in if we greatly simplify how radio and TV worked, it was one too many,
Yeah.
and or very very few too many, and that's how it proceeded for another 50 to 100 years in the last till let's say about 1990s, mid 90s, which is when the internet actually came about.
So
And
even before we come to the internet, it
uh,
is just so जो तुमने बोला कि one too many or few too many, right? आपका political structure country में भी उतना ही important है उस aspect में, right?
agree,
Because
agree.
because you have an authoritarian country, then it has to be one too many, right? Dissenting voices का दूसरा कोई channel नहीं है. I mean even before let's say internet, right? So if you are a democratic country, uh, you have a scope, you have institutions in place that make sure that your dissenting voices are heard, or there is a channel for the other
Hmm.
views also. So it's just not about the advancement in technologies which facilitates कि आपके voices, आपके 360 type के voices heard हो रहे हैं कि नहीं, but I think it's
Huh.
equally important, if not more, the political system in the country as well.
And I guess the political system was largely around the world. A few powerful people, maybe they are saying that they are one party or the other, but few powerful people who really controlled the political discourse,
Yeah.
right? And even though you might say that we had democracy in so many countries, a large number of countries were still monarchies,
Right.
a large number of countries were dictatorships, which in the 90s, with the likes of the breakup of the USSR, have kind of fallen apart. But in that period where uh, people largely had access to just one or two, let's say, mass media, which is radio and television, uh, the control over ideas was with a handful few. And the Aam Admi, as we say, probably didn't have his or her views being heard on the large scale,
Yeah.
unless a benefactor who is politically connected and motivated with technology, money, access, wanted that person to be heard.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
but
even
systemically there was no
systemically,
avenue.
there was
Yeah.
nothing,
Yeah.
right? And which is where the advent of the internet was so exciting for everyone, because it allowed communication like we are having right now at a great distance, uh, and also the ability for you to exchange ideas with random people from around the world.
Yeah.
And this is the early days of the internet in the mid 90s, where I'm sure you also had like dial-up modems at home, and
Mm.
were able to log on to a chat room and talk to people from around the world, which was really exciting time of the internet because it was so decentralized.
Yahoo wale groups.
Yahoo groups, right? Such a exciting time for the such an exciting time for the world, because तुम इतने सारे लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पा रहे थे, which you would have done potentially by pen pals and stuff like that, but there was no element of instant connectivity at all,
Yeah.
which was there with the internet all of a sudden.
Right. Connection वाला एक aspect है where you could connect across globe, right? uh, उसका equivalent में भी phone हो सकता है पहले landline, but again, at least in India, with the kind of economic structure we had 1990s, and it was a matter of luxury to even have phones, right? Landlines and everything.
Hmm.
Uh, तो बट बट आई थिंक वो दो अलग एक एस्पेक्ट है. एक तो रेडियो और प्रिंट मीडिया, टेलीविजन का कंट्रोल इनटू द हैंड्स ऑफ सिलेक्ट फ्यू, एंड दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट more in terms of shaping the पॉलिसी बोल या जो भी बोल उस कंट्री का फ्यूचर डायरेक्शन
Future,
या
yeah.
सोच ओवरऑल, जो तुम जिस हिसाब से करना चाहो. जैसे एडिटोरियल में रोज आ रहा है कि बाबा फलाना फलाना ये चीज है और यही
हाँ,
चीज और वही दो चार लोगों के हाथ में है, then you would tend to believe those things, right? Because there is no other
right.
alternate source of ये. तो वो एस्पेक्ट भी आई थिंक, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट यू कुड कनेक्ट टू मोर पीपल, that opened up, because of that connection now, that opened up the possibilities ki that दूसरा voice show अब तक नहीं हो पा रहा था heard, right? Then
हाँ,
you
so
have
you
this new
might read
ideas
in the
coming up.
newspaper ke, some places very peaceful, but you might talk to someone on the internet from that place who would
Yeah,
say, hey, ऐसा
exactly.
बिल्कुल नहीं है यहाँ पे, मतलब बहुत बुरा
Proper.
हाल है,
Yeah.
right? Or the other way around. So I think news media kind of started coming on the internet once the internet was there, right? They were kind of late to the party. Like, I don't remember browsing news sites so much as talking to other people. Yes, of course, we were a different age back then,
Yeah.
but still, like news, timesofindia.com, indiatimes.com were fairly late in the game, I would say, at least in India. And of course, the Yahoo homepage uh, did have some news. I can't remember,
I
but
think so. Yeah.
it was very limited, right?
Yeah, but
Whatever.
I don't think that was a go-to kind of a thing for
Yes,
people to know about current affairs or what's happening in the other parts of the world, in my opinion, at least. Right?
yes.
Certainly not in India. I can't say for sure about the West, but uh,
Huh.
right. So, I think that is more to do with catching up with technologies, the
Yeah.
inertia, and all those kind of things as well. Uh, huh.
I'm sure there were a lot of people who were working at Times of India in the 90s, and they were like, ये सब, बेकार है.
Uh,
The printed word is what it is,
yeah.
right? ये सब मैं online, I don't believe in all this. And I'm sure those people either changed or they perished, right?
Yeah.
Because the wave that came in the end of the last century of internet really covering the globe very quickly uh, forced a lot of media businesses to change already, right? um, and of course, once the mobile phone came up, that
Hmm.
was another leap altogether, because
Yeah.
the internet that we are speaking of in the 90s was still restricted to the top few percent in the world.
Right. And more than that, मोबाइल कैसे है, हाथ का तेरा एक मतलब एक ऑर्गन हो गया है, राइट? यू कैरी इट ऑल द टाइम एवरीवेयर, राइट? सो
Yeah.
यू सी समथिंग, यू फील द अर्ज कि शेयर करूं, ये करूं, वो करूं, इट्स देयर एंड यू डू इट. वही चीज, मतलब मैं बोलता हूँ इंटरनेट इतना ही चीप होता, मान लो जियो ही होता, आज की जनता वगैरह सब पैसा वैसा सब होता, बट जस्ट इमेजिन कि फोन नहीं होता, कुछ भी करना है तुम्हें बाहर कुछ दिखा, बट लैपटॉप पे आके करना पड़ता, तब भी शायद उतना उसका
बिल्कुल नहीं
जितना
होता।
प्रोलिफरेशन नहीं हुआ वो है। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ चीपर इंटरनेट रेट्स, द मोबाइल फोन प्राइमरीली, वो सारी चीजें भी है, दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई इट इज पेनिट्रेटेड सो मच इन द गांव में यहाँ पे वगैरह, राइट? So now it is
Correct.
like really democratized everything, so everybody is on the same footing.
I think if you look at global internet penetration, it's about 5 billion, if I'm not wrong, 4 to 5.
इतना
So
है?
we still have some way to go. Maybe it's less than that. I'm not sure. Maybe 3 to 4.
Yeah.
But clearly, still there is some way to go.
Yeah.
Again, like if
At least
someone
with
is
decent
listening to,
connection, I think it must
ha,
be much lower than that. But yeah, it's say if you compare like say 10 years back,
ha,
right
of
now,
course,
like
it's a sea
virtually everybody,
change.
yeah.
It's a sea change versus 10 years ago. And that's, I think, where, social media also came up, right? So Facebook as a product existed only after 2005, I think. And there were not really any social media products before that of the kind of Facebook. Maybe Yahoo Groups and
Hmm.
Orkut was there. I remember Orkut was
Yeah.
there.
Orkut तो हिट भाई
Early
हमारा
social
पहला,
network.
हाँ, पहला सोशल नेटवर्क।
It was what, 2004, 5, right?
हाँ,
5, 6, maybe 4, 5, 6, at
Orkut maybe
least in
4
India.
5 4 5, yeah, yeah, yeah.
हाँ, तो वो definitely was still, at least for people in India, it was still not very easily accessible because only with people with a laptop had it.
Yeah.
It was when the phone came in people's hands that social media really took off, and that is probably in the last 10 years, right? 2010 के
10 to
बाद
20
ही
वाला जो, correct.
that phase, and now with COVID and even more people coming online some way or the other. I have examples of kids being given phones in
Hmm.
the last few months when they didn't have access to phones because it was too expensive, but now they have to learn somehow.
Yeah.
So all sorts of NGOs, organizations, benevolent, people who want to help the community are giving out phones. So even more people are now getting access thanks to what has happened the last 12 months with COVID.
Hmm. I mean, just imagine हमारे टाइम पे, like हम 8 9 में होते और कोविड होता, a whole 1 year would have been wasted,
Yeah, yeah,
right? Like the
absolutely.
एक like such a loss to the whole human resource, right? आज भी अगर ये maybe I don't know, maybe क्लासरूम में जाके जो लर्निंग होता है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट बस ये सिलेबस कवर करना है, उसके बाहर भी जो भी कुछ होता है उसका मे बी 70-60% भी हुआ है, then we have made progress, right? In this whole,
Absolutely.
in the lockdown period.
Yeah.
So I think that's a good thing. So I think we have traced like अपन 2010 तक आ गए cave painting से लेके, but that was the past. But how do you see Atab current social media का, and it's not
So
all
what
hunky
is
dory.
it, what do we call social media today?
Hmm.
Like, let's get to that,
Before,
right?
before that, can I ask you, किस पे
Huh.
है तू किस किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे तेरा फुटप्रिंट है, सोशल मीडिया वाले जो भी आज के डेट
Right
में?
now, I have one business that pretty much runs on Instagram,
हाँ,
and I have my LinkedIn account active,
हाँ,
and I have WhatsApp active. So these are, I think, the only
three
three
things.
social media accounts that I am actively using.
Okay.
And that too, Instagram is for my business. I have my personal account, yes,
हाँ,
but I
but not
haven't
you.
posted in ages, and I have hardly, use it to browse.
तो तू वो बंदा
Anything.
नहीं है जो सुबह ऑमलेट बना के फोटो डाल देता है कि
नहीं,
आज तो स्पेनिश
नहीं, I think
ऑमलेट।
it is a क्या बोलते हैं, an evolution in some sense, right? I have done that. I have been there, done that. Like
हाँ,
when Facebook was new, when Orkut was new, uh, wanted to post, and I understand if someone today is who's new to Facebook wants to post.
yeah,
I have seen a lot of people who, like me, have quit social media, and they look down upon people who are wanting to post on social media, like, I had omelette today for breakfast.
Hmm.
So I don't think that's called for, because it is a natural evolution, I would say.
Hmm.
uh, and some people evolve to get out of certain social media, like I have, and some people evolve to manage their social media time and say, "Okay, I still need it. I still want to do it. I still want to post my vacation albums because I want to keep in touch with a number of friends, etc.
Hmm.
I still want to post on Twitter. I still want to post on Instagram." So that evolution is, the paths are different for different people. I don't know if there is one singular end goal, but for me, I have naturally gravitated away from the likes of Facebook and Instagram for my personal account.
Hmm.
But I see that it makes sense for a business to be on Instagram, because there are still a lot of people who are very actively on Instagram.
Right.
What about you?
मेरा my top three would be, and maybe only these three is where I'm active right now. First would be Twitter.
Hmm.
Second would be YouTube, and third would be the LinkedIn, WhatsApp in equal proportion, not as much. But Twitter or
Hmm.
YouTube, I tend to go down that rabbit hole, that video spiral and everything. मेरी नींद की अभी भी जो वाट लगा सकता है वो यही दो है, राइट? तो वो है मेरे में. I don't know. Facebook I've grown out of, and much earlier. I think I was active for just 1 or 2 years.
Huh.
Then I realized that I'm not actually interested in seeing how cool my friends are, living their lives and everything. I'm not saying Facebook is just about that, but
But your reason for leaving was
my
that.
reason for living is that कि
Huh.
मुझे कुछ इतना value add नहीं लगा. It might have to do with my nature itself. Uh, but overall क्या तेरा टेक क्या है, मतलब आज के डेट में, forget about businesses, the average Joe, हर एक डेमोग्राफिक का ले ले, मे बी 20 साल के नीचे वाला बंदा, 20 से मान ले 40 वाला प्राइम एज में काम करने वाला बंदा, और ऐसे ऐसे, डोंट यू फील, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स सोशल मीडिया, ये जो ट्रेडिशनल सोशल मीडिया, जो ये बड़े बड़े बिग जायंट्स है, फेसबुक, ट्विटर एंड एवरीथिंग, they have done immense good, right? Whether it was intentional or non intentional. uh, like वो
Oh, I think the
चेन्नई में
initial
या कोई तो
intention.
एक बंदी स्कूल के 2 किड्स कार्टव्हील कर रहे हैं, और यूरोप की कोई ओलंपियन उसको एक्नॉलेज कर रही है, लोगों की लाइफें बदल रही है. आई मीन व्हाट एवर गुड दैट कैन हैपन व्हेन पीपल कनेक्ट, ऑफ कोर्स इज हैपनिंग. किसी को ब्लड डोनेट हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, यू कुड नॉट हैव इमेजिन्ड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट?
Right.
So no doubt about all those things, but yin yang की तरह.
I think let's talk a little bit more about the good part of it, right?
Yeah.
When the likes of Orkut, Facebook started, at least on the face of it, for the average consumer, it felt like a movement that was amazing, right? Was very organic, that was away from commercial interests, that I could connect to so many people. I could, in one fell swoop, tell all my friends that I was going on vacation to Maldives, right? So that was exciting for people, and it was good because there was a lot of positivity around it, right?
That's
Initial
probably
days,
because corporates hadn't figured out their game, right?
yes,
I don't think it was intentional.
huh. So that positivity fed into more positivity, and it was an upward spiral in many ways in the early years of the internet, of social media as we know it today, like likes of Facebook, the likes of Orkut. Twitter was slightly late in the game, probably started in 2010, maybe, if
Hmm.
I'm not wrong,
I think so.
28 to 20, 2008 to 2010. But the early movers were, Facebook, Orkut. And but it was also clear that if you were on Facebook, then you needn't really be on something else, right? Which I guess
So
uh,
why was it important to be on Facebook? I mean, ठीक है, तुम्हारे पास सेल फोन है, तुम्हारा डेटा पैक है, but why do you have to install Facebook?
um, I don't know. I guess
Because
uh,
everybody else is on Facebook, your whole class is on Facebook. That would
you
be
you
good reason.
wanted to be connected, right? Like Facebook के पहले क्या था? Like in the print world, it was the yellow pages, right?
Hmm.
You wanted your number to be there on the yellow pages, so that if someone wants to contact you, they can call you,
Hmm.
right? Someone who's unknown to you wants to contact you, or whom you may have lost touch with, कि भाई
Hmm.
मेरा एक दोस्त हुआ करता था मिलिंद अदपाइकर बोल के,
Hmm.
मैं अभी मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि वो बॉम्बे में है, मुझे पता नहीं है, तो मैं
हाँ,
बॉम्बे का येलो पेजेस खोलूंगा
हाँ,
और वहाँ पे मतलब फोन डायरेक्टरी खोलूंगा, मेरे को वहाँ मिलिंद मिल गया और मैं उससे कनेक्ट कर पाया, तो दैट वाज अ गुड थिंग. सो people voluntarily used to put their phone numbers,
hmm.
their names, their addresses on the directory book, right?
Hmm.
And I guess the advent of Facebook Orkut was an extension of that. कि भाई, I'm putting myself out there, and if someone who's unknown to me wants to contact me, they can contact me.
Hmm.
Also, my friends are there. So instead of individually telling Milind that, hey, I went to, Juhu Chowpatty yesterday and had a bhelpuri, I can tell Milind and 10 other friends at one go कि मैंने ये किया है.
हाँ,
And I can plan events around it कि, कल 12 बजे हम फुटबॉल खेलने जाते हैं.
hmm.
मैंने एक बार बोल दिया तो वहाँ पे 10 लोगों ने लिख लिया कि हाँ मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, और
Hmm.
प्लान बन गया.
Hmm.
Which might have taken far longer in the SMS world.
Yeah.
So I guess it was the replacement, not really a replacement, but uh, maybe uh, I would say a more advanced replacement of the yellow pages, of the SMSs that we used to send each other.
To basically to stay connected with your
Yes, to
group,
stay
your
connected.
community. Yeah.
And that's where the social aspect comes in, right?
Hmm.
That need to stay connected has always been there for humans, and it has been fulfilled by humans closest to us
Hmm.
for thousands of years.
Hmm.
And suddenly, the ability to connect with more humans around the world uh, has kind of expanded the need in a
Hmm.
way in many people. कि भाई,
Hmm.
I want to be heard by more people.
Hmm.
कि, and evolutionarily we are designed in a way, I would say, to, and I think there are a lot of tests done in this regard कि हम 100 से 200 लोगों से ज्यादा के साथ strong connections नहीं रख सकते.
Hmm.
It's just not possible for our brains at this point in time.
Hmm.
And suddenly here we are with
Craving for thousands and millions of
thousands of
likes.
likes, millions of subscribers, millions of uh, you can't wrap your head around it,
तो
right?
हाँ, मैं उसी उसी पॉइंट पे अभी लेट मी chime in so that benign way because of which or why you wanted to be on Facebook to stay connected with
Hmm.
your friends community. मैंने 4 चीजें की, मेरे बच्चे का बर्थडे हो गया तो डाला, ये हुआ वो हुआ, और उसके बाद मेरे फोटोज को देख के लाइक आना चालू हुए तो मैं किसी दूसरे इसमें इसमें चला गया बहता. अब मैं मेरे बच्चे का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने नहीं डाल रहा हूँ, अब मैं वो लाइक्स के लिए डाल रहा हूँ, राइट? अब मेरा इंटेंशन वो नहीं रहा जिसकी वजह से मैं पहले फेसबुक पे था. अब मेरा आई वांट टू बी कॉन्स्टेंटली नोटिफाइड कि किसने मेरे को लाइक किया, या मैं
Hmm.
दूसरे साइड टाइप का आदमी हूं तो कि कौन मेरे को लाइक नहीं कर रहा है जिसके ऊपर मैं गुस्सा हो सकूं. तो ये शिफ्ट कब हुआ, राइट? इफ इट स्टार्टेड सो फॉर अ बिनाइन रीजन, ये रॉन्ग
I
टर्न
think
कहाँ हो गया?
I think the wrong turn was actually the article that I shared with you earlier today. In a way, it was many years in the making, because the wrong turn happened when uh, the large companies or companies in general and governments, they wanted to uh, improve demand, right? This we had 200 300 years of the industrial revolution, and we had the ability as a human race to produce anything very quickly and make thousands of copies of it. But लोग खरीदने को तैयार नहीं थे. तो मैंने सिगरेट बना दिया, मैंने गाड़ी बना दी, बट लोग खरीद नहीं रहे. सो देयर वाज दिस मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग पीपल टू फील इनएडिक्वेट,
Hmm.
राइट? कि भाई मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है तो आई शुड फील यार मुझे गाड़ी चाहिए बिकॉज उसके पास गाड़ी है,
Hmm. But
राइट?
that's despite the social media aspect, right? क्योंकि
That's
हमारे टाइम
हाँ,
पे वीडियो कॉल,
that
हाँ,
was back in the early 1900s when
neighbors
we started.
envy and your pride and things like that.
Exactly, right. So that is the India aspect. But when you look at around the world, the likes of Procter and Gamble, the likes of Unilever, all these companies had started advertising in a big way already in the 1920s and 1930s, right?
Hmm.
And the whole idea of advertising was to create demand where
Artificial
none
demand, yeah.
existed, artificial demand. And okay, bhai, I have a product which will change your life. In the beginning, 90% of people said, no, my life is good, I don't want to change it, right? But then you started creating this feeling that I'm inadequate, I need to have this product to make myself adequate. But
Hmm.
then it was a spiral, because the moment you start attributing happiness to things, and that's what it was essentially, starting equating happiness to things rather than time with family, rather than uh, you know social connections, deeper social connections, starting attributing your happiness to things, was where this began in the 1900s with the likes of companies advertising and saying कि यार तुमने सिगरेट नहीं पी तो तुम्हारा लाइफ मतलब you don't belong if you don't smoke.
Hmm.
This, if you trace the history of smoking, for example,
Yeah.
people, especially women, didn't want to smoke because
Hmm.
it was really it was seen as something that only men do, and it is like, but
Yeah.
then it was a social engineering experiment carried out at a large scale, and it succeeded to the point that women wanted to smoke
Hmm.
to feel that they are happy, to show that they are happy, to show that they belong.
Yeah.
And this is just one of many examples where uh, media at that time was used in a way to create demand,
Hmm.
right? And I think, to your question, ke bhai, when does social media change? This change was in the making since then, because these companies, उनका काम ही है demand create करना. And once they were able to get into and hone into what the likes of
But
Facebook offered.
ये uh, of course the tech giants, on behest of the companies that provide them revenue because of advertisement and everything,
Hmm,
they there is a clear case that there is exploitation, there is manipulation, and they'll tune their algorithm in such a way that you're more
hmm,
engaged for no good reason and everything. But why would, I mean, inherently वो तुम्हारे as a human being तुम्हारे इसमें अंदर कुछ ना कुछ है, right? That you crave for appreciation, some validation from your peers, and more the validation you feel more better. कि किसी ने कुछ गाली दे दिया तो तुझे बुरा लगेगा. Inherently, that factor should trump everything else, like whatever external market forces का uh, play at work है. Otherwise, मतलब वही ना, मैं रोज क्यों डालने लग गया ऑमलेट, राइट?
hmm.
ठीक है, मतलब उस आमलेट का आई डोंट नो वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट वाले कैसे यूज करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, आई डोंट नो, बट मैं क्यों डाल रहा हूँ, राइट? मैं इसीलिए डाल रहा हूँ क्योंकि कल मुझे 4 लाइक मिले थे, राइट? बोला वाह यार मस्त लग रहा है
हाँ.
आमलेट, आई 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 विश आई वाज देयर एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. नाउ यू फील वाह इसको सही में लग रहा है, मैं कल और कुछ डाल रहा हूँ. व्हाई दैट? यू कांट put this thing on the corporations, right? This is something innate to humans.
I agree. And you do it with kids, right? You want your kids to behave in a certain way, so you say sabash, well done, that's amazing.
He'll do it one more
and
time.
and then they do it again.
Yeah.
Or when you want them to not do something, you say no, this is not good, mat karo, right? So that is a feedback loop.
Mm.
And this feedback loop is natural not only for humans, for other animals also,
Mm.
that humans have domesticated over the centuries. So if you tell a dog, okay, bhai, you sit, then you give a handshake, then you get a treat.
Mm.
uh, it will start to sit and give a handshake pretty soon. It
Yeah.
will get it. So there's a cause and effect. Now, in this case, the likes that you're getting, or the comments that you're getting, uh, it has no real benefit, right? It's not कि तुमको उसके वजह से ज्यादा कुछ मिल रहा है. At least in the early days that was the case, कि
Yeah.
भाई मुझे ज्यादा like मिले तो what are you really getting? And that's what separates the humans. Like you have a higher social standing in some sense.
Mm.
When Milin's photo gets 4 likes and Arjun's photo gets 20 likes, Arjun feels that he is better than Milin,
Mm.
and Milin feels that he is inferior to
Inferior
Arjun.
to.
And that's what gets you on this flywheel. Okay, bhai, I want more. And this I want more wala funda again goes back to this thing that people figured out with advertising and media in the 1900s.
Mm.
Okay, boss, inherently humans want more. And if you keep creating this dissatisfaction with
Was
current.
that really the case? Inherently, humans, did they ever need more, or was this artificial thing that was created, like you said?
I think it was deep seated, but for many millennia,
Mm.
it was probably uh, I don't know, like we had complex social structures, right?
Mm.
And people would still aspire to be a king someday.
Yeah.
So that need was always there. The ability to act on it and actually make it happen was there for very few people, or was there only for people who were willing to dream that big.
Mm.
But that willingness to dream was there with everyone. It's just that reality for thousands of years was that you could not dream that big. कि भाई तुम वहाँ हो वहीं रहो, right? You are at that place, you stay at that place, was the norm.
Mm.
But when you had media being able to tell you, okay, bhai, I had a coke and I became this superstar, right? So that connection that you make, if I have a coke or if I wear Nike Jordan shoes, then I will be as good as Jordan in some dream world that I live in. uh, that was what was picked upon and amplified.
Mm.
So with social media, everyone had a seat at the table in a way, कि भाई मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. मेरे गली के साथ में जिसके साथ क्रिकेट खेलता था, वो अगर आज सोशल मीडिया स्टार बन गया है, उसकी
Mm.
यूट्यूब चैनल है और उसके 100,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
Mm.
And that's something that has come in the last uh, few years versus before. Before you would have given up much more easily.
Mm.
Now you don't give up because you have 4 likes today, you will have 10 likes tomorrow, you'll have 20 likes the day after.
Mm.
So you think you are on this ascendancy. Okay, yaar, boss, people are loving this.
Mm.
What I'm doing is amazing, right? And you throw in the political dispensations around the world who are in some way or form uh, who were having a good ride thanks to television and radio and the bigger medias which they were able to control much easily. Now they felt care, how do I get a piece of this, because this gives me an ability to connect even more directly with someone,
Hmm.
right? And when they started coming in, that's where I think the complications started arising, because uh, I think the first election possibly was the likes of 2014,
Hmm.
right,
Hmm.
in the US, or was it no 2016 in the US, right?
2016. Yeah.
2016 in the US and 2014 in India, where uh, really social media was beginning to be used as a tool.
Hmm.
And that's when it got complicated. That's when people with certain viewpoints or certain goals came in and wanted to utilize the likes of Facebook, Twitter to further their cause,
Hmm.
which is where I think things started going a bit uh, away from the
Why,
early idea.
why is it so? So you now have a reach, right? पहले कैसे है, लाइक से इन द 90s
Mhm.
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को अपना पॉइंट पुट फोर्थ करना है, वो सभा लेगा,
सभा
राइट?
लेगा,
उस
रैली
सिटी
बुलाएगा,
में 10,000, मान लो 4-5 और सिटी से या उस स्टेट से लेके आए, बट दैट्स ओनली रिच, ज्यादा
टीवी
से
पे
ज्यादा
ऐड देगा, टीवी पे
टीवी
बहुत
पे
सारे
कवर करेगा वो, राइट?
कवर करेगा, कवरेज करेगा, राइट?
वही चीज अभी सोशल मीडिया के साथ मैनी फोल्ड, आई मीन रीच उसका बढ़ गया है,
हाँ,
right? uh, that's the only part, so it's not as bad just yet, right? The place where it starts getting uh, tricky is ये जब, and this is where I wanted to come at, because हमने वो बोला कि likes and the corporations trying to manipulate you in some ways and everything, and we also said कि नहीं, this has always been the case, it has been the case since Coke, and now it is probably manifested because एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे इतने लोगों का आसानी से इतने इजीली मिलना उनके लिए तो ये है, चांदी ही चांदी है,
चांदी है,
तो उस सेंस में ठीक है।
एंड विथ सो मच डेटा दैट दे डिडंट हैव बिफोर, पहले तो
Yeah,
ऐसे
yeah,
वो
so
थोप दिया टीवी पे,
targeted जो ad करो
टारगेटेड,
ये करो, so
हाँ,
my likelihood of I mean the likelihood that you would purchase the product, because I'm making an educated sort of not a guess but whatever data science के through जो भी मेरे को data है, so you are more likely to buy those things, and so अंडरस्टूड, राइट? बट मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इतना भी ये हार्मफुल नहीं है, इन अ सेंस ह्यूमन रिसोर्स वेस्ट हो रहा है, जो चीजें पहले एक्स फैक्टर से चल रही थी अभी 2x और 5x 10x से चल रही है,
हम्म,
राइट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स गुड, बट द थिंग जिससे मुझे थोड़ी परेशानी होती है आज के डेट में,
हम्म,
और वो हो सकता है जैसे तूने बोला पॉलिटिक्स का सोशल मीडिया का टूल करके यूज करके प्रोमिनेंटली यूज करना, the clashes of the ideologies, and that's why this turn that we see in this, at least in the last decade, तो
हम्म,
कुछ जो उसके थोड़े हार्मफुल एस्पेक्ट्स है, राइट? हेट स्पीच हो गया, फेक न्यूज हो गया, ये कैंसल कल्चर हो गया, द इनटॉलरेंस टू व्हाटएवर अदर गाय हैज टू से, राइट? आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर पीपल वो सिर्फ हेट स्पीच के नाम पे ही आना चाहते हैं,
हम्म।
राइट? और कुछ चीज है जो एक एक्चुअल क्रिटिक भी हो सकता है, उसको सुन के ना लेना, कैंसल कल्चर, मतलब तूने जो पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट बात नहीं की, या जो मुझे लगता है वो नहीं, कि मैं मेरा मॉब बुला लूंगा और बोलूंगा तुझे क्या एसोसिएट प्रोफेसरशिप से हटाओ, ये करो, तेरा प्रोडक्ट बदनाम, ये करो वो करो, ये क्या है ये? दिस इज द
See,
वाइल इनसाइड अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, सो आई हैव टू से कि ये कितना भी एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट करे, इट हैज टू बी समथिंग ह्यूमन दैट इज कमिंग आउट, राइट? ये कहाँ से
yeah,
आ रहा है?
and I think humans have always had both sides to them, as do all living creatures, I would guess, right?
Yeah.
Um, if you have ever had a dog, that you then you know that the dog also gets angry sometimes, and it will do something which it itself feels bad about.
We can't be comparing ourselves to dogs now all the time.
But
एक
what
level पे
I'm
हम
trying
बहुत
to
हम
say,
अलग
what I'm
social
trying to
structure
say,
पे हैं.
it is something which is the core of
Animal, part of being animal.
part of being an animal, right? Okay, you have both sides to you, and what social media has enabled is for the not so pleasant sides to also get amplified,
Hmm.
right? And now, what is not so pleasant to you and me today might be considered,
A norm.
a norm to some in some other societies, right?
नहीं आज भी है ऐसा नहीं कि दिस हैज टू हैपन इन फ्यूचर राइट तो क्योंकि कैंसल कल्चर करने वाले
हाँ, हाँ।
ये वो नहीं है लोग जो मैं बोलता हूँ ये बोलेंगे राइट एक्सट्रीमिस्ट या लेफ्ट एक्सट्रीमिस्ट बिना पढ़ाई वाले लोग नहीं है कैंसल कल्चर वाले एजुकेटेड भी ही है उनका
एक बार,
आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या है
like,
उनका
just for people tuning in, थोड़ा cancel culture पे if you give a few words, like what exactly is
राइट
cancel culture?
राइट सो कैंसल कल्चर अभी जैसे जेके रॉलिंग्स का प्रोमिनेंटली बीच में आया था शी
हम्म,
सेड समथिंग अबाउट ट्रांसजेंडर्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक कि उनको वुमेन के साथ मिक्स मत करो एंड थिंग्स लाइक सो एक क्लैश हुआ कि शी इज ट्रांसफोबिक और वैसे ट्रांसफोबिक एंड
हम्म,
लॉट मेनी पीपल टॉक्ड अबाउट इट ये था कि उसको यहाँ से निकालो वहां से निकालो जिस बोर्ड पे है वहां से निकालो and it has happened. Then there was I think a list of what couple of 50 100 prominent dignitaries in their field they
हम्म,
also felt so this was not one of kind of a situation and there's a trend कि जैसे ही तुम्हारे इसमें नहीं होता मैं कुछ ऐसा बोलता हूँ जो तुम्हारे आइडियोलॉजी के साथ नहीं ये होता
मैच
और
करता।
मैच करता तो देन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग एजिटेटेड एंड जस्ट सेइंग दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग तो मतलब एक रूम ही नहीं है डिसेंट के लिए राइट एंड जेन्युइन डिसेंट के लिए लाइक आई सेड देयर इज ऑलवेज अ स्कोप कि कोई बंदा जानबूझ के कर रहा है विल मे बी विल आल्सो कम टू दैट हाउ टू वीड देम आउट राइट हाउ डू वी नो बट कोई एक बंदा जेन्युइनली फील कर रहा है और अगर उसको ये थ्रेट हमेशा से रहे जेन्युइन इंटेलेक्चुअल डिस्कोर्स कैसे होगा अगर एक बंदा एक प्रोमिनेंट पोजीशन पे हो ही फील्स अदरवाइज अबाउट एन इशू एंड ही इज स्कैर्ड टू टॉक अबाउट इट बिकॉज़ ऑफ द रिपरकशंस ही माइट फेस ऑनलाइन राइट
I
बिकॉज़
think, हाँ,
so
you've
this is
hit
the
a,
cancel culture. I'll cancel you sort of a thing. Right? हाँ
नहीं,
तो
but you've,
just before you interject मैं ये बोल रहा
हाँ,
था कि ये जो बंदे ओपोज कर रहे हैं तो इसमें एजुकेशन वाला पार्ट नहीं है. These are all वही बंदे हैं जो सुलझे हुए लोग हैं वो है उनका आर्ग्यूमेंट ये रहता है कि वी आर शोइंग मिरर टू द पावर राइट
हम्म,
कि तुम ऐसे ओहदे पे हो तुम्हें ये नहीं तुम ही ऐसा कोर्स ये टेस्ट पैदा करोगे बट ऐसा करोगे मतलब क्या मतलब तेरे जैसा ही सोचना चाहिए तभी वो उस ओहदे पे होने के लायक है क्या
हम्म,
is there a हो सकता है कि वो गलत भी है बट टू नॉट अलाउ दैट डिस्कोर्स इज नॉट द राइट वे टू गो राइट और ये वाला बहुत
हाँ,
चल
and there
रहा
are
है
two aspects to it. I think one thing that you touched upon is genuinely अगर कोई बोलना चाह रहा है, genuine, the word genuine,
हम्म,
right? And the second aspect is the ability to cancel that person exists because there are only very few social media around, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम एक प्लेटफॉर्म से निकालोगे तो, and that's because there are so few platforms, right?
हम्म,
So the first aspect that I spoke of is the genuine feeling. अब genuine feeling का मतलब क्या है? I don't think any genuine thought exists in people anymore in some way or form because the media that they are exposed to is so targeted, right? ये तुमने अगर एक बच्चे को जब से उसने हाथ में फोन लिया उसको एक ही मैसेज देते जा रहे हो कि भाई this community is bad, only this community is good, this is how you should live your life, and that's how the child has grown up. Then the child genuinely at the age of when he or she becomes an adult at the age of 25, 30 will feel that that is the truth in the world,
हम्म,
right? So there are these flat earthers, right? Like people who believe that the world is flat. They're not bad people. It's just that they have gone down this rabbit hole, and they have not gone down, they have been taken down this rabbit hole. And if the human mind is a pattern matching machine, right? So it's being rewarded for thinking that the world is flat and talking about it in the same way. And why? What does the rewarding mean? It means that if you have typed on your Facebook that, hey, I believe the world is flat, and 50 people have liked it, then you feel, it's right.
Yeah.
Then tomorrow you write about it again, and 100 people have liked it. Now, you really don't know the nuanced thought of those 100 people. Some people might have liked it just because they want to, mock that person.
Yeah.
But for that person, she feels कि यार ये तो सही बात है.
Hmm.
And it's that spiral that takes you to a place where you genuinely feel that the world is flat, right? And
Correct.
you genuinely feel anyone who's saying the world is round is trying to personally attack you.
Right.
तो वो genuine
Yeah,
thought
which
का
is
जो
correct.
part है, तो who decides what is genuine, right? Who decides? Who gets to decide? And that's where, you know, the
Like,
fact that so few
this is little
platforms exist.
different, Arjun, at least in
हाँ,
my view, right?
हाँ,
Uh, uh, so there are people who are gullible, right? And we attribute that to education, upbringing, whatever, जिसके basis पे तुमने कहा, right? That's why I particularly chose this example of cancel culture, जिसमें people are supposed to be sophisticated. They know the nuances. They will hold liberal ideas at the pedestal, right? कि individualism ये वो, तो ये वो लोग नहीं है जिनको nuances नहीं समझता है. ये एक लेवल पे मुझे लगता है प्योर हेट है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट एम्प्लीफिकेशन में भी राइट कि मैं कैंसल बोल रहा हूं ना, मेरे पास मेरे झुंड में के 4 लोग बोल रहे हैं इसलिए मुझे और जोर आ रहा है, दैट मे बी करेक्ट, बट दे आर सर्टेनली नॉट द पीपल हु आर ऑफ गलिबल टाइप, राइट? दे आर पीपल हु आर होल्डिंग गुड पोजीशंस इन कंपनीज एंड एवरीथिंग. तो वो एग्जैक्टली जैसे फ्लैट अर्थर वाला अनएजुकेटेड अनएम्प्लॉयड किसी के गैराज में जाके करने वाला होगा साथ में, और फिर उसको एम्प्लीफिकेशन से वो इग्नोरेंस एक जो उसने ये बनाया वो एम्प्लीफाइड होता है. बट यू कैन नॉट ऑलवेज पिन इट डाउन टू सेइंग उसमें लोगों का एक निजी स्वार्थ भी है, मुझे लगता है कभी कभी जिसमें कुछ धोते हैं. वो एक प्योर हेट है. आई रिमेंबर वन इंसिडेंट. डू यू नो डेरन ब्राउन? डेरन ब्राउन करके एक यूके का मेंटलिस्ट है और जादूगर टाइप का ये है. तो ही डिड एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. आई थिंक ये 2000 का कोई तो शो था उसका. तो उसने क्या किया, ऑडियंस बुलाया, बोला कि मैं तुम्हें लाइव एक ये दिखाता हूँ. एक बंदे का लाइफ है और उसमें मैंने स्टूजेस और एक्टर्स प्लांट किए उसके लाइफ में हर बार. मतलब वो कहीं अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ शायद इसमें गया था, बार में गया था, तो उसने बोला कि वहां पे ये है मेरे एक्टर्स हैं, अब तुम्हें वोट करना है कि मैं आज के नाइट के लिए तो कम से कम, क्योंकि मैंने उसके सारे कैमरा और 2-4 उसके लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस में लिया था, तो आज की नाइट उस एटलीस्ट मैं उसकी कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ या डायरेक्शन दे सकता हूँ यहाँ वहां ऐसे करके. और वो तुम्हारे पे डिपेंड है. तुम वोट करो कि तुम उसके साथ अच्छा करना चाहते हो तो यस बोलो, बुरा करना चाहते हो तो नो बोलो. बुरा करना है तो मैं अनप्लेजेंट सिचुएशन क्रिएट करूंगा, अच्छा करना चाहता हो तो ये करूंगा. और सबको बोला मास्क पहनो, क्योंकि ये था, और बोला फन एक्सरसाइज है, उसकी मजा लेते हैं टाइप से. Of course, the idea being कि how crowd behaves and all of this, right? तो एनोनिमस जब था तो उसने 5 बार बजर बनाने और 5 बार उसने वो सिचुएशन पैदा करने की. तो पहली बार बोला कि हाँ, या तो मैं उसको बोल सकता हूँ आज के ड्रिंक्स मेरी तरफ से ऑन द हाउस है, या फिर कोई एक बड़ा आदमी जाके ऐसा ठोकर होके उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड को छेड़ेगा तो फिर झगड़े का सीन पैदा करेगा. Of course, people chose the negative side of it, right? मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि 1-2 बार चल ठीक है मजे के लिए अच्छा वाला भी पार्ट, कभी नहीं. तो वो एक डीप रूटेड समथिंग, वो जो एनिमल एवोल्यूशनरी टर्म्स में वही जो भी एनिमल वाला पार्ट जो अभी भी जिंदा है वो वाला पार्ट रहेगा, ये वाला पार्ट रहेगा. तो वो है जो जानता है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. इट्स नॉट दैट कि पब्लिक डिडंट नो, देयर क्लियर ऑप्शन कि मुझे गलत करना है, ये करना है, बट मुझे मजा आ रहा है दूसरे का बुरा होते हुए देखने में, मुझे मजा आ रहा है कैंसल कल्चर करते हुए, मुझे मजा आ रहा है उसका. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उसको intellectually believe करता हूँ, unlike that the flat earther who started believing in his own bubble, who started living, this is not that case, right? तो वो
I would say it is a nuanced version of that case, because ये जो तुम बोल रहे हो कि these people are ignorant, they are uneducated, इसलिए वो flat earther उसको
ज्यादा
समझ
से ज्यादा attribute कर सकता है. I'm not saying they are.
हाँ, I would attribute the same to people who are saying or going on to cancel culture, right?
हाँ,
Because even they are ignorant to a large extent, because they are not able to separate their original thought from what they have been told over the last, so many years by various media that they are exposed to. Because uh, unless you actually seek different kinds of media, and I'm sure they also say कि हाँ मैं तो ये पेपर भी पढ़ता हूँ, मैं तो वो पेपर भी पढ़ता हूँ, right?
अनबायस्ड व्यू के लिए, करेक्ट।
So, but the truth is that uh, technology has enabled so much dissection of the human mind and of the human populace, that you can actually influence influence what people think is right and wrong, which is where I think this whole problem of tech companies becoming monopolies, oligopolies is coming in, right? Where people are a lot of people are still scared that यार तुमने फेसबुक, ट्विटर, यूट्यूब, ये मतलब दो तीन चार कंपनीज को मिलके इतना पावर दे दिया है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट पावर रियली? द पावर इज the ability to influence thinking of people without them knowing it. And this is happening for highly educated people as well, right?
आई सपोज दैट इज लाइक कुछ ही लोग होंगे चुनिंदा जो कि वो भी होंगे कि पता नहीं, एवरी पर्सन इज कैन बी मैनिपुलेटेड राइट एट सम लेवल, राइट? ऐसा तो हो
Absolutely.
ही नहीं सकता कि नहीं हो। इट्स
So
ईदर दे
how
कैन
do you
डू, दे हैव
know?
द एबिलिटी टू डू
How
इट
do you
नाउ।
know you are being manipulated when you are being manipulated?
या यू
That is
कांट,
the point,
यू
right?
वोंट नो। या
You won't know.
या
And that's where uh, social media and there is an inevitable breakup of big tech that should happen, right? That should happen, so that uh, people really get to see what you know uh, they want to see rather than what someone wants them to see, right? And either there is a breakup of big tech, or all of these platforms become utilities like electricity, right? कि भाई ये प्लेटफॉर्म है एंड तुम एग्जैक्टली चूज करोगे कि तुम्हें क्या दिखता है. टुडे दैट चॉइस इज नॉट देयर ऑन एनी प्लेटफॉर्म. You log into Facebook, your feed is determined by Facebook. Facebook will say, okay, oh, it is determined by you. You liked these, 7 cat videos, so I will show you an 8th cat video. Yes, that is true to some extent. But there are vested interests who want to control your mind, who want to get into your mind, who want to seed a thought in your mind. And they are paying Facebook money to come onto your feed.
Yeah.
Right? And you don't have a choice, because Facebook is the only thing that you are into right now, which is
So are you suggesting कि social media be paid service?
either you
It's the
make it
advertisement. It's the advertisement that it is keeping us, keeping it free, and also by that extent allowing us to get all the benefits of the social media, right? To
yeah,
pay.
either you make it paid and make sure the people who pay Facebook are in no way associated with, like, it you make it like radio, right? Make it like radio कि भाई फेसबुक को उन्होंने पैसे दिए, अब फेसबुक ने रैंडमली बस डाल दिया, and 100% random. There's no reason why Milind should see an ad versus Arjun should see an ad, right? If it is that way, then it's fine. But if they are paying, and if they know that Milind wants to see an ad of a speaker, uh, and Milind is paying for it, then fine. But if there is like no
नहीं,
one, how do you really separate the two cases?
why do you want to control कि Facebook अपने एड किसको और कैसे दिखाए, राइट? टीवी पे तो तुम वो नहीं करते कि क्रिकेट मैच में यही ऐड होना चाहिए, वो नहीं होना चाहिए। हो सकता है उनको लगता है कि इंडिया जीतती है तब विराट कोहली का दिखाया, बट जब हारती है तो गाड़ी, तो वो भी तो मैनिपुलेट, उनका भी कुछ एक थिंकिंग है वहां पे, वो भी वो स्लॉट में
बिल्कुल है,
डाल
बिल्कुल
ही
है.
रहे हैं, राइट?
And it comes back to this basic thing of some few companies, political movements, politicians wanting to get into the heads of people, right?
हम्म,
To manipulate their thought in some way or form, so that they react in a different manner, or
हम्म,
in a manner which is beneficial to them. I mean, this is again not new. This has happened, as you said, with the printing press, even before that with some oral cultures. But it is happening to a much greater extent now, only because media is so prevalent. The media has the ability to reach billions of people like this, right?
हम्म, हम्म,
um, I don't know if there is a solution, right? And what is the problem we are trying to solve? The problem we are trying to solve is uh, few people having control. The reality is, a few people have had control for a long time,
always,
always,
yeah.
right? Now, more people are realizing that uh, a few people have had control for a long time, and they are trying to rebel in some way or form by trying to break up big tech, by trying to say that no, big tech should become utility service. So if you want to go to Facebook, you go to Facebook. The government pays Facebook, and you don't see like a news feed or anything. You just see what you saw when Facebook was very new, which is your friends, and what they are doing in their lives when it was very, very hunky dory,
Mm,
right? And the news feed, the ability for Facebook to pull an article from Times of India and show it on your feed,
mm,
I think that's where Facebook changed. That's where media changed. That's where how people uh, who wanted to be in the minds of a large mass uh, tried to get on this bandwagon of paying the likes of Facebook, Google, Twitter to manipulate what people are seeing on their screens.
mm.
That's when the problems really started happening.
So what you're saying is social media be just एक platform जिस पे I
It
just go
is.
to connect with my friends. I go to look at their photos. I see what they're doing. I don't want to do anything that is initiated by Facebook themselves or the advertisers paying to the Facebook.
I would still want to exchange ideas with like-minded people, right? I want to go to a group of tech enthusiasts and learn the latest laptops that are being launched in the US. Yes, I still want to do that, but uh, I want it to be driven ideally by the individual and not by, and that's where it becomes so difficult, because still the power is in the hands of very, very few in the world,
Hmm.
and they see this opportunity to keep it going by keeping social media in the hands of very few companies, the likes of Facebook, Twitter, so on and
So
so forth.
what we have been primarily talking about is the influence or the exploitation manipulation which this market players are trying to do. One way could be take out their influence by making it a utility, but there is other aspect that still remains, and wo hai free speech versus hate speech, right? It is
Mhm.
between the group. Now there is no market influence, right? But then you are still we saw what happened recently in US, and it's not hard to, I'm sure there's so many instances in India as well, if not at this level but at some level, right? But वो इन्फ्लुएंस एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल का है, राइट? उसमें मार्केट का नहीं, आई मीन पॉलिटिकली ड्रिवन होगा। आज के डेट में पॉलिटिकली ड्रिवन है, कल कोई अपना दूसरे किसी कारण के लिए मॉब बनाएगा, मॉब बनाना मोर इंपॉर्टेंट है वहां पे। सो
Hmm.
वी कैन नॉट जस्ट आइसोलेट सेइंग ओके कॉर्पोरेट आ रहा है ना, कॉर्पोरेट को हटाओ, अच्छा पॉलिटिक्स आ रहा है ना, पॉलिटिक्स हटाओ। कल कोई किसी दूसरे दिन के लिए आएगा, कोई मंदिर के लिए आएगा, कोई कुछ के लिए आएगा। तो आइडिया, तो ऐसे मैं सिर्फ सबकी इन्फ्लुएंसेस हटा के जाऊंगा तो फिर कल तो बचेगा ही नहीं वहां पे सोशल मीडिया नाम का कुछ भी,
I agree.
राइट? तो so that thing again, hate speech, again not something which I've come recently, right? It has always existed. Cases उठा लो, ये उठा लो, in the form of print में था, radio में था, ये था, उसके laws है, वो है. Again, but with the one platform where billions and billions of people, check in every day, it is amplified like everything else. So, and the step that Twitter took, and many of this, the step of blocking the president himself, right? तो मतलब तब तो वो दिखाता ही है कि टेक के पास कितना पावर है. Rightly so, wrongly so, I tend to think it's right, क्योंकि उसका एक फ्री स्पीच और हेट स्पीच के बीच में एक रीजनेबल कुछ कंडीशंस होने चाहिए, राइट? which tend to protect the sovereignty of the country, whatever sanctity
वही
और
है
ये
ना,
सब.
like who decides what is right or wrong?
आज कौन डिसाइड करता है? अगर सोशल मीडिया
हाँ,
छोड़ दे, आज के डेट में जब कोई किसी पे रिलीजन के ऊपर ये करता है, कोर्ट होता है, ये होता है, वो हो रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स बिलियंस ऑफ लोग, एक पब्लिशर कहीं कर रहा है, उसको कोर्ट में लेके जाना आसान है, एज अपोज टू मिलियंस ऑफ लोग अगर कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज ऑब्वियसली. और ये भी ऐसा है कि एनोनिमस, मैं किसी टॉर ब्राउजर से एक फेक अकाउंट बना के मुझे अगर उंगली ही करनी है, तो मैं तो 10 तरीके से कर सकता हूँ,
करेक्ट.
राइट? तो ये इसका भी एक इम्पैक्ट है, जो कि सिर्फ इससे सोसाइटी तो डेफिनेटली डिटेरियोरेट हो रही है, राइट? आई हैव सीन एंड आई हैव हर्ड एनेक्डोट्स फ्रॉम पीपल, लाइक जो मैं बोलते हैं दोस्त की, मैं जिसके साथ स्कूल में पढ़ा बड़ा, वो इतना इतना एक्सट्रीम व्यू रखेगा, ऐसा मुझे कभी नहीं लगा. दैट एवरीबॉडी हैज अ फ्रेंड लाइक दैट, राइट? वी आर प्रोबब्ली सम ऑफ दोस फ्रेंड्स टू समबडी, राइट? बट तो ऐसा तो हमारे बाप और माँ के जनरेशन वाले तो नहीं बोलते थे. मे बी उनका बाहर आने का कभी जरिया ही नहीं मिला, तो वो दबा का दबा रह गया, मे बी. बट ये एक एस्पेक्ट है जो कि मार्केट ड्रिवन से ज्यादा, मतलब तू वो कॉर्पोरेशंस को इससे निकाल भी देगा तो भी ये रहेगा मेरे हिसाब से, तो राइट, क्योंकि ये हमेशा से था.
Yeah, and I think again, if you go back in history, tribal communities जो exist करते थे, they used to obviously have defectors. They used to have people who didn't agree with the, let's say, the sarpanch equivalent of that community, and they would leave and they would join other communities. They would travel the world, whatever,
Or
right?
just make a coup and kill the sarpanch.
Or make a coup, right?
Yeah.
So it is inherent in humans in some ways of having different viewpoints, of having uh, this thought that that person doesn't agree with me, so I don't like him.
Yeah.
Right? So it is there in some sense, and it gets amplified by social media, right? It gets amplified, and if you go down a rabbit hole, which again makes you think that you are right, then you tend to even cancel friends of yours from your own life, right? Saying ke, yeah, I always thought I liked XYZ, but you are saying that guy is a
So I
murderer.
don't like. Yeah.
He's like Hitler or whatever, and so I don't like you anymore.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? These discussions happened in the age of TV and mass media, when internet was not there also, but the conviction that people had was much lower because their thoughts were not so strongly crystallized.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
मतलब आज के डेट में हर बंदा ऑनलाइन जाने वाला, वो क्रिकेट की सीरीज है तो वो क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट है, वो कुछ कोरोना वायरस है तो वो वायरोलॉजिस्ट है, वो इकोनॉमी कोलैप्स हो रही है तो वो रघुराम राजन को ज्ञान देगा. वो सब कुछ है भाई, वो सब कुछ है. और उसका क्या है, उसके बबल में जो भी उसको फीड आया, उसके 4 लिंक पे उसने कहीं पढ़ा, तो वो 4 लिंक भी चिपका देगा. उसको ना कॉन्टेक्स्ट पता है, उसको ना ये पता है, उसको लग रहा है कि वो 4 लिंक पढ़ के उसको पूरी इकोनॉमिक्स आ गई. वो 4
and yeah, that's brings us back to what is your world, right?
Yeah.
Your world is probably 100 to 200 people. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the limit of the human brain, and that's why the population at large and even the top people in the world probably think the same way कि भाई ये जो 100 लोग मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि मैं सही हूं, तो मैं सही ही होऊंगा. And this happens at every level. तुम किसी इलॉन मस्क टाइप के बंदे को ले लो वर्सेस कोई एक
Exactly.
बंदा जो कहीं गांव में बैठा है उसको ले लो. दे ऑल थिंक द सेम वे एंड दे आर लेट्स से वायर्ड टू थिंक इन दैट वे.
और 100 लोग वो आपको मिल ही जाएंगे किसी ना किसी सब्जेक्ट पे कहीं ना कहीं,
हाँ,
तो मिल ही जाने हैं.
विद सोशल मीडिया वो 100 लोग आपको ऐसे मिल जाते हैं, राइट? तो तुम बिलीव करते हो कि वर्ल्ड इज फ्लैट बिकॉज वो 100 लोग तुमको बोल रहे हैं कंसिस्टेंटली ऑन अ डेली बेसिस कि हाँ भाई फ्लैट है भाई, तुम ये बाकी दुनिया को छोड़ो, हम जो बता रहे हैं तुमको वो तुम सही कर रहे हो और बहुत जबरदस्त कर रहे हो. एंड दैट्स वेयर एवरीवन फील्स लाइक अ किंग. I
Yeah.
think that's what social media has enabled, right? It enables everyone to at the same time feel inadequate and hence want more. That's the consumer side of it. And at the same time feel like a king कि भाई मेरा जो व्यू पॉइंट है उससे 15 लोग अग्री कर रहे हैं,
और
दो
मैं कुछ हूँ, हाँ, इतने
और
दिन
मैं
तक
कुछ
जो मैं कुछ नहीं था,
करेक्ट.
तो मैं कुछ हूँ. तो
एंड
वो कैसे निकाले, उसका क्या है?
आई डोंट नो उसको निकाल सकते हैं कि नहीं, राइट? इट इज इनहेरेंट दैट need to feel wanted.
By the way, what do you think about these media giants, these social media giants,
Hmm.
deplatforming the president and everything? What is your stance
Yeah,
on that?
my stance on it is that you know, of course they can do it. I'm not
I mean, it's
contesting their
legal, is what
right
you're saying.
to
Yeah,
do
it
it.
is legal. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but they have to realize their own um, power, which they are not. And that's what is the thing with power. Like when you have power, uh, you don't know how much power you have.
No, exactly. That's why they intervened, na? Before.
No, so
Huh.
uh, they are thinking that they're doing it for the right
Hmm.
things, and they might be right also. But the fact that they are able to delete a person effectively from all kinds of social life, um, I don't know if they realize that they have so much power,
Hmm.
and it can be utilized for nefarious purposes without eventually them knowing it, which is why they should have said no. I am a platform, right? My job is to bring people together. And what they say here is up to them. The only way a Facebook can do this is if they are a utility, right?
But the,
Like electricity. कि भाई मैं electricity use कर रहा हूँ to produce guns. I can still do it, right? Like I have a machine which is using the electricity from the government to make a gun. Maybe the fact that I'm making a gun is illegal, but that electricity will not say कि नहीं नहीं ये electricity तुम गन मेकिंग
हाँ,
के
तो
लिए यूज
क्यों
कर
नहीं
रहे हो.
करना चाहिए? Imagine yourself in the place of these tech giants and you take that stance कि मैं कुछ कंटेंट क्यूरेट नहीं करूंगा,
हाँ
राइट? मैं सबको फ्री हैंड दे दूंगा.
हाँ
3 दिन नहीं लगेंगे वर्ल्ड वॉर होने के लिए, राइट? अभी भी जो सिचुएशन है, वो बीच में जब ट्रम्प गाली देता था नॉर्थ कोरिया वाले को, बोला ये क्या चल रहा है भाई? ठीक है, कहीं वो रेवोल्यूशन हुआ मिडिल ईस्ट में, ये वो, राइट?
बट
ये
वही
क्या,
है ना, तुम कौन हो वर्ल्ड वॉर होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए डिसाइड करने वाले.
नहीं, वो सब छोड़ो, तुम क्या करते? तेरे तेरे इंटेलेक्ट से एक बना हुआ प्रोडक्ट है, तो एक सेंस में तेरी उस पे ओनरशिप है. तेरे सर्वर पे तुझे पे कर रहे हैं, उसके आप फॉरगेट द पेमेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, राइट? बट यू हैव क्रिएटेड समथिंग, और तूने वो पोजीशन लिया है और तेरे हाथ में है, तू क्यूरेट करना चाहता है नहीं कर, दोनों साइड आर्गुमेंट करने वाले लोग हैं, तुझे
The
डिसाइड करना
problem
है.
is it is not a moral decision, right? For these people, it's a business decision today. For Facebook, it's a business decision.
हाँ,
कि भाई मैंने ये अगर नहीं किया तो I will lose some users,
राइट,
right? I will lose some advertisers.
राइट.
So
So taking them
business
out,
wise,
taking them out, taking the
yeah.
एडवर्टाइजर्स का ऐसा है कि हाँ, इनफ लोग इस साइड पे है तो ये वाला पोजीशन ले लेंगे, इनफ लोग उस साइड पे वो वाला पोजीशन लेंगे, तो दैट इज क्लियर. सो द ओनली थिंग मैटर्स इज प्रॉफिट. तो इट इज इजी टू
Even
क्वांटिफाई
for
कहाँ क्या
Facebook,
करना.
it's a matter of profit,
या
right?
right.
And the
But in terms
problem
of
with,
morality, तेरा क्या stance है? If there
in
was
terms of morality,
utility वाले केस में जैसे,
हाँ,
तो जिसमें तूने सब कुछ खुला खुला रख दिया, तो उसका डाउनसाइड तो ये भी तो है कि तू वर्ल्ड वॉर वो करा देगा, राइट? मैं छोटे
I
छोटे
don't
मोहल्लों
think,
में तो दंगले तो करा ही देगा.
नहीं तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइडर आई शुडंट केयर, एंड मॉरली स्पीकिंग आई शुडंट से
हाँ,
what is right or wrong. I shouldn't, I might feel it,
हम्म,
right?
हम्म,
But the moment I say this is right,
हाँ,
right,
हाँ,
I'm putting my viewpoint. I think I'm considering myself intellectually above someone else
हाँ.
when I say that this is right and this is wrong.
So you want कि तू कुछ नहीं करेगा, but then अगर उस मान ले देश की सरकार को लगता है कि ये कंटेंट डिलीट करना चाहिए, तो वो कोर्ट का ऑर्डर आके तेरे को बोल दे तो तू कर देगा प्रोसेस.
Bilkul, bilkul. And that's how it should be, because my intellectual capability is not enough to understand what is right or wrong.
Yeah.
And I trust the government structures that have been put in place over the last couple of centuries to take this in the right direction. What the large tech companies have done is they have undermined the trust in the government, because they have said that I decide what is right or wrong. Right? Facebook
Well,
has said,
they are, it's like a party they are hosting, right? Few people are invited. Maybe it's an open party.
"Hmm,
Everybody comes in. जो राउडी है उनको लगता है वो बाउंसर को लेके उनको हटा देंगे, भगा देंगे भाई.
but it is not, I
तो
mean,
उनको लगता है बाउंसर, बाउंसर को
ha
क्या
ha
लग रहा
ha.
है? बाउंसर को क्या लग रहा है? उसने एक लड़की को ऐसे छेड़ा कि 4 लोगों को मुक्का मारा. I don't know, but it's his party, right?
I agree it's his party, but now it has become everyone's party because everyone is there in it, right? That's the problem. They have become so big. They are larger than many other countries. In fact, they are the largest country in the world if you look at the number of subscribers or users in that country. Like I am on Facebook, you are on Facebook, someone else is on Facebook. Like 3 billion users are on Facebook, 2 billion, whatever that number is. It's like a country, and uh, I mean, there is a government structure that is already in place, and they have undermined it when they said that they decide what is right or wrong. I feel so. If I was on Facebook, Facebook's board, I would have said to hell with profits, to hell with what people think. I am a platform. The reason I started this company
Was
was
to rank girls in my class.
no, the reason I started this company was to make it a more connected world, right? And that's what I'm trying to do. uh, by disconnecting people, I'm disconnecting the world. Like it doesn't make any sense. It goes against the values for which I was created in a way.
All right.
तो ये प्रॉफिट मोटिव जब आता है तो मतलब दिमाग का दही हो जाता है, एज वी से, बिकॉज you can't be so unidimensional. I think the moment you start saying profit is the only goal, then you start thinking for yourself. And I think how humankind has really made progress is not by thinking for themselves, it's by thinking for the larger good of humankind. And that's something that again, they might say that they are doing that because they are weeding out the bad elements. uh, I don't think they are uh, officially elected in power to do that. So democratically speaking, Facebook should not have any power, but they do.
But at some level, I think, जैसे मैं एक यूटिलिटी रहता और लाइक आई एम न्यूट्रल, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट कंटेंट इज गेटिंग शेयर्ड एज लॉन्ग एज मेरे सर्वर ऑनलाइन है और तुम मैसेज भेज पा रहे हो कि नहीं. टू सम एक्सटेंट किसी का इंटरवेंशन के पहले मैं चेक्स एंड बैलेंसेस कुछ ना कुछ तो डाल ही सकता हूँ, राइट? जैसे फेक न्यूज का एक ये है, अपन शायद उस पे उतनी बात नहीं किया. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टच. उस पे मतलब बड़े बड़े मैंने देखा है कि शशि थरूर भी लाइक ही इज एन इंटेलेक्चुअल, वेल रेड एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, बट जो एक कंफर्मेशन बायस के लिए उसको कोई एक ट्वीट आया जो उसको लगता है कि इमीडिएटली रीट्वीट करना चाहिए, बाद में पता चलता है कि नहीं ये नहीं, सच्ची नहीं थी। वही मेरी माँ को भी व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ आया, उसको लगेगा कि होम्योपैथी से ये क्योर होता है, बिकॉज शी टेंड्स टू बिलीव इन दिस थिंग, शी वुड, इट्स मोर लाइकली शी वुड,
Yeah.
कहीं वो आसाम में जो चल रहा था किड स्नैचर एंड उसको मारो, व्हाई शुडंट आई टेक अ न्यूट्रल स्टांस एंड ट्राई टू स्टॉप इट, कि मैं ये तो नहीं, मारने के बाद पुलिस कंप्लेन होगी और उसको जेल होगा, कोर्ट लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स इज वन थिंग, बट व्हाई शुडंट आई, एम आई नॉट मोरली रिस्पांसिबल फॉर दैट डेथ नाउ, बिकॉज आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ इज यूटिलिटी, मैंने कुछ नहीं, मैं दिख रहा था भाई ये गलत है, मैं चाहे तो वहां स्टॉप कर सकता, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्टांस कि मैं नहीं करूंगा कुछ भी, राइट, aren't there at least some areas where it is very black and white कि ये तो करना ही चाहिए?
No, I think that's where we go wrong, right? Like there is no black and white. There is no right or wrong. And there's a quote by I think Rumi. You know, क्या? The away from the path of right and wrong, there is a field. I'll meet you there, right? So the fact that a few companies, a few people, a few platforms have so much power has led to corruption. And the saying is very true that power corrupts,
Hmm.
and absolute power corrupts absolutely. And they have, in a way, I would say, absolute power now. So
Yeah.
unless they are broken up or they are converted into utilities, and the power is, let's say, given back to the governments, which in themselves might have had absolute power, right? But at least we knew that to some extent that was working, and to a large extent what we have now is not working. So like it brings us to this point in the discussion where we think like ab kya hoga,
हाँ,
right?
मैं भी वही बात करना चाहता, we have talked about past, present, what is your
Exactly.
outlook for the future?
um I'm an optimist. I think humanity will figure a way out.
Yeah.
There will be some tough years, right? Where there's a power grab. Some people uh, have much more power and are able to, let's say, de disenfranchise the masses in some way or form, either uh, by direct force or by coercion, right? By, let's say, going into their brains with the ideas that they think are right. Uh, but then it will come back uh, to the tribal communities that we had eventually. I think it might not happen in 10 years, but uh, if you look at the history of everything, like it goes and comes, right? So empires rise and fall. uh, Democracy as a uh, let's say working system will also rise and fall. So it has seen its rise, it might fall now. uh, Monarchies might come back into vogue, and then eventually it might go back to tribal communities which are like really small, all being enabled by technology in some way or form. So I don't know what the 5 to 10 year outlook is, but in the long run, humanity will figure a way of surviving. I feel
Yeah. Yeah.
that's what that's what I'm optimistic about. कि in the short run कुछ होता रहेगा, but
वो कुछ कुछ क्या
life
होता रहेगा? कुछ कुछ में क्या, तो एक वर्ल्ड वॉर भी डाल रहा है, कुछ कुछ में क्या
हो
है?
सकता है. I mean, I don't know, and frankly, my genes don't care, right? All my genes care about, and all life cares about, is propagation, and that will continue in some way or form, I guess.
That will continue. I'm sure about that as well. मतलब the human spirit will triumph over any ये जो छोटे मोटे मैं बड़े स्केल पे बोल रहा हूँ बाकी आज के डेट में तो बड़ा
बड़े
ही
स्केल
है,
पे छोटे मोटे.
बड़े बड़े स्केल पे छोटे मोटे. बट या बट मेरे हिसाब से तो दिस टेक्नोलॉजी विल गिव वे टू रेडिकली डिफरेंट वे
Yeah.
of doing things, of socially connecting, right? Just like while print media was there, no would have thought कि मैं फुटबॉल मैच लाइव देख सकता हूँ, ना कि बस स्कोर दूसरे दिन 5-0 देख सकता हूँ.
Hmm.
उसके पहले कोई ये नहीं सोचा होगा कि मुझे लाइव कमेंट्री सुनने को तो मिलेगी पढ़ने की जगह, तो लाइव थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस तो होगा, विजुअल्स का एक्सपीरियंस, अभी ऑलवेज स्टे कनेक्टेड टाइप का एक्सपीरियंस. I think one day it will be like ubiquitous, right? The chip which Elon Musk is developing, and उसके around ecosystem, ज़्यादा कंपनियां, telepathy, whatever. I don't know. I don't want to no predictions. But I think this ऐसा टाइम आएगा जब बोलेंगे भाई सोशल मीडिया का टाइम अच्छा था भाई. दोनों पर्सपेक्टिव से, अच्छे बुरे के दोनों टर्म्स में. सो आई गेस वो जो एक ये है साइनसॉइडल वेव, ऊपर नीचे नई टेक्नोलॉजी, टाइम अलग है, नया कुछ ये होगा, बट आई थिंक इट विल कंटिन्यू. ह्यूमन रेस विल, उसके बीच में जो गीले के साथ सूखा भी थोड़ा, सॉरी सूखे के साथ गीला भी थोड़ा बर्न होगा.
Yeah, and I think we are discounting Mother Nature in all our discussions, right?
Yeah.
Like the pandemic happened this year, last year, and there could be so many other things that could happen, which will wipe out a large chunk of humanity, and things will be very, very different.
Yeah.
And even that could happen.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. You mean कि ऐसे फैक्टर्स जो हमारे इस सोशल मीडिया के realm से बाहर है, जो कि
for
अफेक्ट करें.
example, like there could be a massive solar flare,
Yeah.
which knocks out electricity for many years together, right? तब क्या होगा? How would you communicate with people? How do you, re-emerge as a society? Like, how do you even begin communicating without electricity? No one of us knows how to do that because everyone has had electricity all their lives.
Hmm.
Except all these villages that only recently got electrified
And they will
in
have
India
advantage
and
over
China.
us, and some business centers सारे वहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे because they
हो
have.
सकता है, like you never know, right? So my point is that we shouldn't discount Mother Nature, and we shouldn't discount the human ability and ingenuity to uh, uh, to make the most of what they have
Uh,
and still keep going. And
right.
uh, I think there is this general thought that अभी बहुत बुरा हो रहा है, and social media is really uh, tearing the fabric of society and this and that. I think these are all, let's say,
Hyperboles.
like temporary things in the larger scheme of things. And in the larger scheme of things, nature will decide the course of humanity. And like, of course, there are people like Elon Musk who are saying, let's take nature out of the equation, let's colonize Mars. वहां पे भी nature है भाई, ऐसा नहीं है कि वहां चले गए तो सब ठीक रहेगा.
Elon Musk used to be your hero, Arjun, or probably he still is, but I guess.
I mean, it's very difficult for me to call anyone a hero these days because always something's comes tumbling out of the closet, some skeletons, and it makes you see
सीख रहा
that
है अर्जुन,
person
तो सीख रहा
in a very different light.
हाँ, तो never make heroes out of anyone. महात्मा गांधी और
I mean,
इलॉन मस्क
hero
को.
banao, बिल्कुल hero banao. But be choiceful in what you pick and follow in that hero.
Yeah.
And don't be like so blind that you do and agree with everything that they say.
तो क्लोजिंग कमेंट्स क्या है तेरे विषय पे?
Closing comment, I think it was a great discussion to begin with, like tracing the history of media, tracing the history of social media as we know it today, and eventually ending up with where we think it might go, even though we didn't really give very concrete ideas on where it will go in even the next 5 to 10 years. um, my sense, as I said, is it will probably get worse before it gets better. um, is what I think for the next 5 to 10 years. But great discussion, I really enjoyed. And I hope anyone who's and everyone who's tuning into this video slash podcast, and it'll hopefully be there in different channels, media that we can put
सोशल
it out.
मीडिया फेसबुक पे कब जा रहा है ये अल्टीमेटली
फेसबुक
वी
पे
नीड
कौन डालेगा? हम दोनों फेसबुक पे लिए तो कौन डालेगा? आई गेस someone will share it. Hopefully someone gets inspired by what we have spoken of here and shares it with a larger audience, which is outside of the audiences that we know. Um, but I hope to do more of this. This was really an engaging discussion for me. A lot of new things learned. Like cancel culture, I don't know really. I didn't have an idea what it was.
ये आधी चीजें सिर्फ ट्विटर पे होती है, तो ट्विटर पे नहीं है ना, तू इंस्टाग्राम पे है तो तेरा फोकस मार्केटिंग और वो साइड ऑफ थिंग्स है। मैं क्योंकि ट्विटर पे हूँ, मेरे को यही सारी चीजें दिखाई देती है। तो अगेन वही है, वापस एनफोर्सिंग दैट सेम आइडिया कि आप जिस चीज को देखते हो वही आपका वर्ल्ड व्यू बन जाता है।
But what about your thoughts?
my opinion is ये एक पेरेनियल साइकिल है जो चलता रहेगा। तो ऐसा ऐसा है, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, गिविंग वे टू न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज, न्यू चैलेंजेस, सॉल्विंग देम। उस टाइम का 100-150 साल बाद का अर्जुन और मिलिंद नाम के कोई और दो होंगे, वो उस टेक्नोलॉजी के प्रोस एंड कॉन्स की बात करेंगे, और हमें जैसे मैं पुरातन आदमी है उस टाइप से बात करेंगे और बोलेंगे कि कितना अच्छा था, राइट। और शायद ये वहां तक ये हमारा वीडियो ना भी रहे तो शायद उसको उतना पर्सपेक्टिव भी नहीं रहेगा। बट आई गेस with limited sense, I see that important thing is चीजें चलती रहनी चाहिए और चीजें चलती रहेंगी, बट वही उसी बीच में कम से कम नुकसान के साथ चले, कम डिस्ट्रक्शन के साथ, कम एनार्की के साथ, कम इसके साथ चले, उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं वो आई थिंक 2000 शॉर्ट टर्म स्टेप्स करते करते आगे तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा। सो लेट्स होप फॉर अ गुड फ्यूचर।
As always,
As always,
let's be optimistic that the world will turn out better despite the likes of you and me being around. And anyone and everyone who's tuning into this, hopefully they take something back as a nuanced discussion, let's say a little bit nuanced discussion on social media and what it is, rather than a few tweets or a few posts here or there.
Okay.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun, for the wonderful discussion.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next video or podcast.
Bye.